A fact is an action. Effect is the result of the action. Number one, the loud music blank my sleep. Here we need an action word. What does a loud music do? It changes my sleep. So the word is affects. Number two, coffee has a strong blank on me. Now look, we have the word has a strong blank on me. That's clearly a result of over a thing. So this one is effect. Number three, the movie really blank my feelings. Here, the movie is doing something to my feelings. It's an action again, so it affects. Number four, exercise brings a good blank on health. Exercise brings a result on health. That's a noun, so the answer is effect. Number five, bad weather can blank our mood. Weather is acting on our mood, right? So again, it's an action. Choose affect. Number six, the medicine had no side blank. This one is very common in real life. We say side effect, not side effect. So the answer is effect. And again, don't forget, effect is an action. Effect is a result of the action. Now it's your turn. Try 7 more on your own. Write your answers in the comments or check the answer section at the end. And hey, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI. I work hard making these lessons. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.